Import dog. Load it to folder and create bone layer. Create new bones. Remember about correct parenting. Create bottom bones to hold artwork. Adjust tail bones length. Set strength. Put more strength to these bones to keep the artwork at the bottom. Assign body to bones. We need to add some strength to the rest of the bones, as currently 2 bottom bones are dominating everything else. Even more. Now body works well. Parent bone. Test how it works. Assign the rest of the contents. Head, parent to 2 bones. Color. Let's fix artwork a little so it's aligned better. Now they're okay. Eyebrow is on head layer by mistake. Create new layer. Assign artwork. Don't create actions for every piece of artwork, even if it doesn't bend perfectly. In animation industry, time is money. So if you don't need to do something, just leave it the way it is. You can fix things so much quicker doing animation manually. Group head shade and head layers together. Remove a few points. We would need new ears for latter 2.5D turn. Copy ears with shadow and place them lower than head and body. Copy ears as bones. Move them left. Turn layers on so we could see new ears layers. Align bones. Assign artwork. Turn the rest of artwork on. Add bone dynamics for bones. Update parenting for this bone. See how it works.